Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and if you're like we are and always trying to charge multiple devices at once, then you absolutely have to have this wall block charger from Scosche. This is a USB-C charging block, and what's super awesome about it is it has two ports. Oftentimes in our family, we're trying to charge more than one device at a time, and it is so convenient to have this option to charge them both at the same time. Whether I'm using this with a single device or multiple devices, it charges quickly. This is a 65-watt charger, and what's super cool about it is very intuitive. So when we do have two different units plugged into it, it automatically allocates and splits up that wattage between the two devices appropriately. I think that is amazing. This charger block is so compact, which is awesome for use at home, but especially when we're traveling. I really appreciated that the prongs fold up to give it a nice flat surface on all sides. We have used this on our phones, our tablets, our computers, and no matter what we're trying to charge, this charger block gives it enough juice to charge it up so quickly. I was blown away at just how lightning fast this charged some of our devices. What's really convenient too is when we travel, I don't have to worry about bringing two different charging blocks with us. I can simply just grab this one and know that I'm covered. We have had multiple Scosche products, and honestly, they are top notch. And this wall charger is no different. It's super compact, very powerful, and perfect for any home that needs to charge multiple devices. But that's just my point of view.